Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Wednesday the 7th of December 2022. A little bit of red you're seeing on the charts in front of us as we head into start of the US session in just over an hour and a half's time from now. No major data points from a macro perspective which will be released today that are going to be market moving. And so as I said earlier on in the week, markets was making their own mind up now as to which direction we're heading and just absorbing all the available information that we've had over the past week or so, both with the China reopening trade, that's a big theme right now, and also, of course, the Fed continued to dominate and, how hawkish are the Fed truly going to be. Soft landing, hard landing. We had Goldman Sachs CEO and JP Morgan CEO both hit the headlines yesterday, putting a little bit of fear into markets, and we saw equities take another move lower. On the topic of Goldman Sachs, so they are going to be investing in cryptos in this bear market. So they're going to spend tens of millions of dollars on crypto firms whose valuations have been hit after the implosion of FTX. The head of digital assets said that we do see some really interesting opportunities priced much more sensibly. The FTX contagion has spread to the on-chain credit market in DeFi, decentralized finance, with crypto hedge fund orthogonal trading, get my tongue around that one, getting a default notice for $36 billion of debt on a blockchain-based lending platform, Maple Finance. Nexus Mutual, a decentralized insurance provider, is wrapped up in the mess as well and may lose upward of 2,461 ETH, around $3 million in deposits. Paraguay have been voting down crypto mining regulation, another one of the, let's call it minor headlines to hit the space this morning. But I think that's relatively it, and I think I was going to dive straight into the technicals for today. So we've got Ethereum, which has been heading to the downside. As you can see, that strong H4 bar earlier on today, followed up with a really quiet one, which suggests that selling might have just started slowing down. So we'll just see what happens from here, but you are just pausing at what was a resistance handle around this 1220 area too. So we'll watch 1220, we'll watch for a move down into 1185. They're the two key levels for me from here, 1185 being the main one. Litecoin as well as you can see, also piercing below its descending trend line and now looking to find some support, but struggling to find it at the ascending trend line. So the 75 handle now looks pretty key from a technical perspective because a close below there, and I'll be targeting a move into that high low around 70.70. Ripple also tracking lower, continues to make some new lows, or basically breaking this week's low and last week's low as we speak, around the 0.3750. So around this area here now is going to be pretty much the main area to watch. You can see we did have a rejection off this area of around 0.3695 in the past, and we're just coming into that handle again and we've seen a bounce. So just watch that area around about where we're trading now. Bitcoin as well, as you can see here, we have tried to head into the 17,600 region this week. We got rejected on Monday, and since then inside bar yesterday, really quiet day to be honest, pretty thin trading range. But then we've pierced the lows of that inside bar and the lows of Monday, and now looking to try and break back down into the 16,000 region. Basically look to test the lows of last week from here is where the target will be. That's a wrap from my end for the crypto brief. Until next time, I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care and bye for now.